It's office party time, so of course we're making a Jell-O mold. Making it a party. Apparently cranberries can be prepared in a variety of ways, but we're going traditional. Okay, party starts in a few hours. We need to kick it into high gear. Little for you, little for me. Now to really kick it into high gear, you're supposed to use ice cube. Okay, just go with a little bit of ice cubes, a little bit of cold water. We got this. Now for our favorite part. Turn up that volume for a little bit of Miracle Whip. Have you ever... never mind. Now for our Colorado chilled cranberries. Throw in some applesauce. A silicone mold that's making my grandma spin in her grave. There she is in all her unset, uncongealed glory.
Perfect. What do you think? Beautiful, honestly.
After 6 hours of partying and gifts with the Who Gives a Scrap crew, let's check on her and see how she's doing. There's probably nothing left. Well, there's always the summer party, Miracle Whip.